Good morning, friends. Now we are discussing game theory in module number 5 of Operation Research. What is game theory? So, it is a set of tools and techniques for making any decisions under uncertainty when two or more opponents are playing the game. Both of them are wishing to optimize their decisions at the expense of his opponent player. So this game theory will not compel us on how to play the game, but it tells the procedure and principles so that both the players will select their own action of play. So properties of the game. So players. So players means the finite number of competitors here. So if two of them are playing the game, like in the game of chess, so number of players is two. It is finite number. So if the two teams are playing the cricket of 11 players each, so there will be 11 players in both the teams. So total it will be 11 plus 11, 22. Strategies. So there will be finite number of possible course of action. Options available to choose for each player. A game will be played when each player will choose one of the options available in front of him. The game is combination of strategies, and in certain units it will determine whether it is the gain to one player or it is the loss to the loser. Then payoff matrix. The outcome of choosing the best strategies will be represented in the form of a matrix. So that matrix will be called as payoff matrix. Then optimal strategy. It is the best course of action any player will choose, so that the payoff or the points or the score obtained to him will be very optimal. Value of the game. It is the expected payoff when the players of the game will follow their optimal strategies. That is out of the available actions. So each player wants to maximize his gains or minimize his loss. So at the end of the game, so whatever payoff the player is getting, so that will be value of the game. Then fair game. If the value of the game is 0, it is fair game. That is the total number of points obtained by the winner. So that is carrying plus sign with him is equal to the total number of points lost by the loser with negative sign. The sum of all the positive values get cancelled with sum of all the negative values. Then the value of the game is 0. Such game will be called as fair game. Otherwise it is called as unfair game. So strategy. The strategy of the player will be determined, predetermined rule by which the player will decide his own course of action. So we have two types of strategies here, pure strategy and the mixed strategy. Pure strategy, the player knows exactly what the other player is going to choose, so that a deterministic situation will be obtained, and the objective function is to maximize the gain here. Mixed strategy. So one player while doing his move will guess as to which activity to be selected by the other on any particular occasion. So while two players are playing chess, so the player will think about his movement, guessing what will be the next movement of his opponent. So here it is just a guess. But in pure strategy, the player will exactly know what the other player is going to do. Two-person zero-sum game. So when there are only two players, A and B, and if the sum of the game, that is the value of the game is 0, that is the losses of one player equal to the gains of the other player, that is winner. So that the sum of their net gains is 0, then it is called as two-person zero-sum game. Then payoff, the quantitative measure of satisfaction a person gets at the end of each play. Maybe the winner has won the game with maximum number of points. So, and the loser has lost the game to the winner with the least score given to the winner. So that quantitative measure a person gets satisfied at the end of each play is called as payoff. Then value of the game. It is the maximum guaranteed game to the player A. So here onwards, the person who wins the game will be called as winner, and the player who loses the game will be called as the loser. So if both the players uses their best strategies, the maximum guaranteed game. So if the value of the game obtained at the end is having positive sign, so we say that the game is favorable to player A, that is the winner. If the value of the game comes negative, so even though the player B loses the game, so the game is favorable to player B such that he is giving least score to the winner, and it is unique. So to highlight here the game theory, so we have players, strategies, then payoff matrix, then out of the strategies, that is a possible course of action if the player who is winning the game or the person who is losing the game will go for his best course of action, so that the winner will gain maximum number of points. At the same time, the loser will choose his best course of action so that he lose the game to the winner by giving least score to the winner. Value of the game, that is the expected payoff when all the players will follow their best course of action. So fair game, if the summation of the points scored by the loser and the winner is summing up to 0, such game will be called as fair game. Otherwise, it is called as unfair game. So pure strategies and mixed strategies. And two-person zero-sum game. Two players are playing the game and their scores both by the winner and the loser will be summing up to 0. It is called as zero-sum game. Thank you for